Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the reduction formula for integral cosecant power nx into dx. So first, the given integral, that is integral cosecant power nx, can be written as, let in equal to integral cosecant power nx into dx. Put that equation number 1. Cosecant power nx can be written as cosecant power n minus 2x into cosecant square x into dx. After that, cosecant square x in terms of here cosecant square x and cosecant power n minus 2x. One is f of x, another one is g of x. Integration by parts we are going to apply. This is f of x, this is g of x. Why we are taking only f of x as this function? Why not this one? N minus 2, whenever here n minus 2 terms are there, we can treat as inverse trigonometry function it is. So that is the reason by using Euler formula, by using integration by parts, cosecant power n minus 2x you can take as f of x. Here I am mentioning that here f of x is equal to cosecant power n minus 2x. So differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x equal to f of x whole power n. So n value is what here? N minus 2 into cosecant power n minus 2 minus 1, n minus 3x. Again, the derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x. So if you simplify this, minus of n minus 2, bases are equal, both should be added. Cosecant power n minus 3, cosecant x, that means power 1, n minus 3, n minus 2. So cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x. This is f dash of x. Next, g of x as cosecant square x only. Next, by using integration by parts, by using integral by parts, in can be written as f of x into, what is f of x? Cosecant power n minus 2x into integral g of x, integral cosecant square x dx minus integral f dash of x value is this one, minus of n minus 2 into cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x into integral g of x, again integral cosecant square x dx whole dx. So integration by parts step completed. Once again I repeat, f of x into integral g of x minus integral f dash of x into integral g of x dx. Sorry. What is integral cosecant square x? What is d by dx of cot x? Minus cosecant square x. So integral cosecant square x is minus cot x. So minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x, minus into minus is plus, and here also integral cosecant square x minus will come now. So minus cot x plus again minus. So minus n minus 2 integral cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x. Here also cot x, minus cos x, already minus is there now. So minus into minus plus, again minus. Cot x into dx. In the next step, cot x into cot x is cot square x minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x minus n minus 2 into integral cosecant power n minus 2x into cot square x into dx. Again, cot square x we have identity. Third identity of trigonometry. Cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. From here, cot square x make as a subject. Cosecant square x minus 1. So, in place of cot square x, we are replacing with that value. So, minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x minus n minus 2 into integral cosecant power n minus 2x into cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. In the next step, actual multiplication, multiply these two minus multiply these two, which is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x minus n minus 2 into integral cosecant power n minus 2x into cosecant square x. Can I write directly? Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. We will get it as cosecant power nx. Dx. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Mat here cosecant power nx only. Minus into minus plus n minus 2 into cosecant integral cosecant power n minus 2x into dx. So further steps I will write again. I will write the both and I will write it. See here, from equation 1 this will become as in. In place again n minus 2 is there, this will become as in minus 2. See here, minus in is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2 x into cot x minus of n minus 2, this is in value, plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. Why? Because n is equal to n minus 2 here. So here in value is there, here also in value. This in value we are taking this side. In plus n minus 2 into in is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. So in take common from here. 1 plus n minus 2 is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. So in into n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. But I want only in. So in equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x divided by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into in minus 2. This is the reduction formula for integral cosecant power nx. Here cases are there, no? Integral cosecant power 5x means n is equal to odd number and even number. See here, I am writing case 1, if n is equal to 0, so in value, in is equal to integral cosecant power nx dx. N is equal to 0, substitute in this. Integral cosecant power 0x into dx. Anything power 0 is 1. So integral 1 into dx, which is equal to x plus c. So wherever I naught is there, n is equal to 0 we are substituting. That value goes to be x plus c. In case of n is equal to 1, that is case 2, if n is equal to 1, I1 is equal to integral cosecant power 1x. That means integral cosecant x. What is integral cosecant x? Log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. I1 when it will come, when they are asking to calculate odd power, integral cosecant power 5x, cosecant power 7x, cosecant power 3x. I0 when we are going to use, whenever that number is even number. So I1 is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So we'll do that, integral cosecant power 5x into dx. See here, I5 they are asking. I5 equal to, so n is equal to 5, substitute in this formula, minus cosecant power 5 minus 2x into cot x divided by 5 minus 1 minus plus 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 1 into I5 minus 2, which is equal to minus cosecant power 3x into cot x by 4 plus 5 minus 2, 3 by 4 I3. Again n is equal to 3, substitute in this, you will get minus cosecant power 3x into cot x by 4 plus 3 by 4 keep bracket I3 value, n is equal to 3, substitute in that formula, minus cosecant power 3 minus 2x into cot x divided by 3 minus 1 plus n minus 2, n is equal to 3 here, 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 I3 minus 2. So, minus cosecant power 3x into cot x by 4, minus into plus is minus 3 by 4 into 2, 8, cosecant power x, 3 minus 2 is 1 only now, into cot x, 3 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, that is 3 by 8. Into I1, I3 minus 2. So I1 value we got it now here. So at last you give that solution, minus cosecant power 3x into cot x divided by 4 minus 3 by 8 cosecant x into cot x plus 3 by 8 into log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. This is the way we can do integral cosecant power nx dx, dear students. In the next question, we are going to discuss about integral secant power nx into dx. I hope everyone understand. Still any doubts are there, please write to my comment box, I will help you. Next question. Obtain the reduction formula for integral secant power nx dx for an integer n is greater than or equal to 2 and hence find integral secant power 5x. Here also like previous problem, the given integral, let us consider in equal to integral secant power nx into dx. Put that equation number 1. Secant power nx can be written as secant power n minus 2x into secant square x into dx. Now secant power n minus 2x is f of x and secant square x is g of x. So here f of x is equal to secant power n minus 2x, differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x equal to derivative of f of x whole power n. N is equal to here n minus 2 into secant power n minus 2 minus 1, n minus 3x. Again secant x derivative, secant x tan x. So f dash of x equal to n minus 2 into bases are equal, both should be added. Secant power n minus 2x into tan x. And g of x equal to secant square x. So by applying integration by parts, by using or by applying integration by parts or integral by parts. So in equal to f of x into, what is f of x here? Secant power n minus 2x, integral g of x, integral secant square x dx, minus integral f dash of x n minus 2 into secant power n minus 2x into tan x, integral g of x dx, integral secant square x dx whole dx, which is equal to secant power n minus 2x, integral secant square x tan x, because d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So integral secant square x is tan x. N minus 2 constant you can take outside. Integral secant power n minus 2x into tan x. Integral secant square x is tan x into dx. In the next step, tan x into tan x, tan square x. So secant power n minus 2x into tan x minus n minus 2 into integral secant power n minus 2x into tan x tan square x into dx. So tan square x in terms of secant you have to write. We know that trigonometry identity secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. From that tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So secant power n minus 2x into tan x minus n minus 2 integral secant power n minus 2x into, in place of tan square x, secant square x minus 1 into dx. Now after that actual multiplication, multiply these two. So which is equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x minus of n minus 2 into, bases are equal, quotient be added, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, integral secant power nx dx minus into minus plus n minus 2 into integral secant power n minus 2x into dx. Since from equation 1 this term goes to be in, in place of n minus 2 is there, so in minus 2 we can write it, which is equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x minus of n minus 2 into in plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. This is the value of in. In the next step, minus of n minus 2 into in I am taking into the LHS and simplify, getting the value of in. See here, from this term we are taking common in plus n minus 2 into in is equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. So in take common, 1 plus n minus 2 is equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. So in into n plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. But I want only in. So in is equal to n minus 1, we are taking this side, secant power n minus 2x into tan x divided by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into in minus 2. So this is the value of integral secant power nx, that is in equal to integral secant power nx dx is equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x divided by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 into in minus 2. Cases. Case 1, if n is equal to 0, here substitute in this. So I naught equal to integral secant power 0x dx, which is equal to integral dx. Integral dx is x plus c. So I naught value is equal to x plus c. Now come to the case 2. In the second case, if n is equal to 1, I1 equal to integral secant power 1x into dx. Integral secant x, log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Therefore, I1 equal to. Now, not only these cases, but also they are asking integral secant power 5x dx. So here, secant power 5x means I5 is equal to integral secant power 5x dx. That means, in this formula, wherever n is there, replace with 5. So it will become, observe carefully, n is equal to 5. Secant power 5 minus 2x into tan x by 5 minus 1. So secant power 5 minus 2x into tan x divided by 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 into n minus 2. N means what? 5. 5 minus 2. Now simplify. Secant power 3x into tan x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 into I3. I3 how to get again? Again in place of n substitute 3. You will get the value of I3. Secant power 3x into tan x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 into, in place of n, 3 substitute, 3 minus 2x. So secant power 3 minus 2x into tan x divided by 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1, n minus 2 by n minus 1 into I minus 2. So that means I3 minus 2, which is equal to secant power 3x into tan x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 into 3 minus 1 is 2 denominator. 2 into 4 is 8. So 3 by 8 secant power x, 3 minus 2 is 1 only now. So into tan x plus 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, 3 by 8. I1. In the next step I1 we replace with this value. So secant power 3x into tan x divided by 4 plus 3 by 8 into secant x tan x plus 3 by 8 into log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Even if it is even integer, sin power 4x or sin power 6x, n is equal to 6 substitute or n is equal to 4 substitute and get it. At last you will get I0 value. Wherever I0 value is there, you can replace with x plus c. I hope everyone understands, dear students. If you have any doubts still, write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. In the next video, in the concept of reduction formula, integral log x whole power n, that formula, and a power n into e power x, that concepts also. 2 to 3 problems in one video we will discuss in the next video. That is the last video in the reduction concept. Dear students, thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.